In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the screen print text effect in your design. To get started, open your design workspace. If you already have a project ready, go ahead and open it. If not, create a new design so you can follow along from the very beginning. This effect works best when you have a clear text element to customize. So make sure your canvas is ready before moving on. Once your design is open, the next thing you need to do is select text. If you have not added any text yet, insert a text box and type the word or phrase you want to style. If your text is already on the canvas, simply click on it to highlight it. This step is important because the editing options you see will depend on the element you have selected. If the wrong item is selected, the effect controls may not appear the way you expect. After your text is selected, click on Effects. You'll usually find this option in the editing toolbar when the text is active. The Effects panel gives you access to different text styling options that can change the appearance of your lettering without needing to manually edit each character. This is a quick and efficient way to give your design a more polished or creative look. Inside the Effects options, select Screen Print. As soon as you apply it, your text will take on that textured printed style that gives it a more distinct visual finish. This effect can be especially useful if you want your text to feel a little more handmade, bold, or graphic. Depending on your design, you may want to take a moment to look at how the effect interacts with your font choice, spacing, and overall layout. If the result looks a little too subtle or too strong, pause for a moment and visually check whether the text is still easy to read. A good design effect should improve the look of your text without making it harder to understand. You can also compare it with the rest of your design to make sure everything feels balanced and consistent. And that's it. Once you've opened or created your design, selected your text, clicked on Effects, and chosen Screen Print, you've successfully applied the effect. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the final look of your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.